going to start off by kind of giving some background, expanding on what I said at the beginning of the workshop. But first, I want to say we're very lucky in the Northern Neck to have such great collaboration and cooperation with our local governments. As a PDC, we're really dedicated to regionalism, but we understand that local needs are sometimes very much more specific. And so we're grateful to our local governments for working with us on these regional efforts, and we're always happy for them to come to us when they have community needs that they need to address. Some background here: the Planning District Commission over the past 20 years or so has provided technical assistance and capacity building to its local governments through the Coastal Zone Management Program that's funded through NOAA. We provide technical assistance, coastal management support, assistance with comp plans, most recently with Colonial Beach, grant writing, project identification, project management, supporting local planning, staff education, training, coordination. We maintain a Northern Net Green website that is all things environmental and resilience. We also recently received additional funding through NOAA as a 3-year resilience capacity building grant that all the coastal planning district commissions went in together to apply for. And that's to provide regional resiliency coordination, i.e. the RAFT, and to provide ongoing assistance to the state in the development of the statewide master plan. We have an upcoming hazard mitigation plan update coming up, and my design 3 years ago, when the state started turning its attention to resilience building and taking a more proactive approach to planning, was to kind of build to a crescendo and get some momentum going so that we could move forward, understanding that these things happen slowly and over time, especially if you want to be as inclusive as we have been with the RAFT. It takes time to get all that input and gather everything together to move forward. So kind of looking forward to the 2022 hazard mitigation plan update. We would like to take the results of the RAFT and the progress of the RAFT and where the RAFT implementation teams are going forward and incorporate that into our hazard mitigation plan to make it more of less of a reactionary hazard mitigation plan to a proactive hazard mitigation and resilience plan. So as we move forward with that, it's incorporating resilience thoroughly into that plan, thinking about how we've dealt with COVID and some of the challenges we faced with COVID, thinking about the increase in sunny day flooding and rainfall inundation that we have, and incorporating that into that plan, and then working with the local governments to build out their comprehensive plans and incorporate those same elements into the comprehensive plans, and so on and so forth, to their capital improvement plans. So like I said before, we have that clear line of succession from planning to implementation. Also, the Virginia will be wrapping up in November its state coastal resilience master plan, and we'd like to align our hazard mitigation plan with the statewide coastal resilience master plan. And I think it's a really a good step of getting us towards that whole of government, whole of community approach. So as we think about and dig into this planning process, it's just going to be a natural continuation of the RAFT. And I think we've done most of the heavy lifting already through the last year. It's just a matter of coming together now as a region and incorporating those things into that plan and those plans, and really not just thinking about it as a regional hazard mitigation plan, but a local plan or an amalgamation of local plans that gives a broader stroke of how we want to approach things as a region, because we have so many similarities. So that's where we're going. That's where we're looking for going forward. We're also in the process of updating our comprehensive economic development strategy and incorporating resilience and making that a major component of that, so that we can take care of our businesses and have resilience in workforce and business and economic development. So thank you very much.